This is how you escape. You'll probably be dead by then, you know what I mean? Hello guys, I'm Ivor. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been long that I haven't been posting, but I got a good news. I got a new car and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. So I left the plastic wrap until I decided to do this unboxing thing. Okay. Same thing as every car has. Two mirrors, blah blah blah. And okay, I want to show you this thing. This gear is so cool. You can actually do manual or auto gear, but I don't understand why would anyone do manuals in KL because the traffic jam is crazy. That's why they have this auto hold. Okay, a little background story about myself. I've been driving second-hand car for the longest time, ever since I got my driving license at 17 years old. And I'm 27 now, so it's been 10 years that I've been driving second-hand cars. So I cannot relate to any cars with Bluetooth speakers. And I usually do the key one, so I just put it in, turn it in, like the old style of second-hand cars. So everything about this car I find is so interesting. So this is touch screens, guys. My second-hand car could never. So okay, you can do it this. Wait, and it's built-in Siri voice. Hey Proton.
Hi there.
Turn on the AC. Girl, look
Okay,
at me.
The AC is turned on for you.
Yay! I got my assistant now. Okay, so we have this built-in navigator. Wait, it's a bit slow. Give it some time. This is not Tesla or something, still Proton. So this is what the car key looks like. And you can just do it manually like this, beep beep, or you can just put it in your bag. One thing I like about it, you just have to fist bump your car to lock the car. We're besties now. Okay, so open the door. Like that. Ooh. And I like how the engine sounds. It sounds just like a truck. Very cool. Let me show you. Step the brake. Sounds so masculine. Sounds like a truck. I love it. Okay, I found one thing that I don't like is this light. See? It's nothing. The light is okay, but when I press it down, flimsy, like it's gonna fall anytime soon. Like, see? I wish it was more sturdy. So I finally got the X50 Proton because I was choosing whether if I want to go for Pro Dua Beza or X50 Proton because I'm the girl who doesn't like driving. I would take Grab or like take the public transport LRT just to get to where I am because I hate driving. So I just thought like, okay, I'm just gonna get a car that gets me from A to B. Doesn't have to be a cool car. But this X50 looks so cute at the back. Let me go show you in a bit, but it just gives the whole feeling of driving a Range Rover on a budget. So there are 4 tiers. The tier 1 is the standard, premium, and executive, and flagship. Flagship is the one with the full specs. We have the sunroof and everything. So I got the X50 Silver Executive. For some of you who don't know, Proton X50 has been out of stock for the longest time because the price is good and it looks cute and the specs are pretty okay, and apparently the specs and all the model stuff are from Volvo, like the China ones. Usually, because in KL when I was doing the test drive in Proton, they told me that I would have to wait for at least 6 months, around like 3 to 6 months to get white color any X50 because it's out of stock. But I thought of, okay, maybe I should go back to Penang to get it because first I get the Penang number plate with a P in the front, and it's actually faster because the demand is not as high as the one in KL. 1 month later, I got a car. I was so lucky because the Proton staff told me that there was one customer who bought 4 X50 and suddenly he changed her mind. He said he wanted white color. So I got the one that he didn't want, which I don't mind because I like that silver color a lot. That looks really cute. Okay, let me show you the back. So cool. Oh my god. Oh. Wow, this
This car is so pretty.
Okay, I gotta be gentle, okay? It's my new car. My first car at 27. Oh my god, I'm so hyped. People passing by is like, what is the girl doing unboxing a car at a car park? I don't need no scissors. Oh yeah, by the way, this is not powered. The seats adjustment is not powered, so you have to do it manually. It's good, you know why? Because I saw this self-defense video on TikTok where they do like, oh, you know, whenever there's someone behind you try to strangle you with a hand, you can do, like, you try to do this, boom, and then you just let go of yourself. Like, this is how you escape from getting strangled. But if you have the powered seat, this is how you escape. You'll probably be dead by then, you know what I mean? Done! Oh wow, that's so cool. Oh, this feels weird because I'm always in front, and this, oh my god, I feel like this would be a great grab. A great taxi, you know what I mean? Not fake taxi, but a normal, legal taxi, okay? Anyways, oh yeah, the lights, wait, let me just, haha. Cute. Ooh, and they have this USB. Ta-da! Okay, now I'm gonna do unboxing for you guys. Finally, I can take this off. Yay! Okay. Oh, it smells like a new car. I love this smell. Ooh. You know, like, I've been wanting to have leather seats car because it's easier, because like in Malaysia you sweat a lot, especially your thighs, because you've been sitting on the seat like for too long, and you'll get sweaty, you got like sweat marks. So getting a leather is good. It prevents sweat marks. Yay! Oh my god. Ugh. Undressing my car. Wow. Done. Even though I don't really know much about cars, but I feel like this car is so much more worth it compared to I don't know, like 87k. You don't get this big of a size with such a great specs and leather. Like, the feels is just so different. That's why it's always out of stock. There's so many demands. Okay, just a disclaimer, I'm not trying to flex here. I'm just happy and grateful that I'm able to get a new car after 10 years of driving second-handed cars. And also, the cars that I was driving were paid by my dad. So after I bought this car, I returned the old car to him, and I am completely free from my dad. It feels great that I'm not using any of his resources anymore now, and instead I'm paying to them. I'm giving like monthly allowance to them, and also got my own car. Did you see? Wait, I gotta show you this photo of my dad, because I got a car in Penang, right? But I was in KL at that time. But the Proton stuff said you have to get it now, because otherwise there's no space for us to store your car. So I got my dad to pick up the car for me. So you know, like the typical photograph that you take when you get a new car, and he was like holding the key with the car. You see this? With a big ribbon. He looks so proud. Oh my god. I'm not sure if he's proud. He looks happy, but like, I just feel a little bit like happy, you know what I mean? It's just like funny, because like, I remember I got on the phone with my dad and I asked him like, okay dad, should I get a Beza or a X50? Because the price difference is like double. And the first question he was like, do you think you can afford X50? I'm like, boy, if I cannot afford, why would I even ask you? So I got a bit like hurt because he thought I couldn't afford it. But now that I got 3 jobs, I think I can balance it pretty okay. I'm just grateful that my hard work is paying off, even though I don't really drive. I just feel good, you know, like, you know, when people say money don't solve your problems, but it's better to cry in a good car, in a good comforting car, or I can't afford a Mercedes, but like X50 instead of Beza, it just feels good. You're like, cries, and then look at the, oh, it's a touch screen, you know what I mean? But Beza, I'm not trying to throw shades to any Beza drivers, but it's just, okay, I'm gonna take you guys for a drive and you will see how stable this camera is, because usually, because my old car, Avanza, was so unstable. It's like, you know, and this one, it feels like you're not driving. It feels like you're driving, but the engine sound is like so quiet. And I like how the car is so high, and especially when you're in KL, you can see the traffic where, so you can cut to where, like, which lane is faster. It just feels good, you know what I mean? But the only downside of having a car this size is that it's very hard to find parking. Okay? And also, the reason why I got Executive X50 is also because the price is okay. I don't want to get any cars that is more than 100k, because the monthly loan payment is gonna be like more than 1,000. I think maximum 1,000 per month for a car is that's all I can afford. The Executive that I got is 87k, and the full spec is 100 something k. So it's like 20k difference, and all you get is what? 360 camera and the sensor thing, like the front sensor, and more airbags, and the screen here is digital instead of analog, and you have bigger widescreen touchscreens here, which I really don't need it because I'm so used to driving second-handed cars, so I don't really need the reversing thing, so I can just do it manually with side mirrors. Like, don't need the screen here. I really don't need, I'm not used to that. And if you go flagship, you have to do that. You have that feature, like the power seat adjustable. I don't need that shit, you know what I mean? And yeah, and the sunroof is so hot in Malaysia. I don't need that sunroof in Malaysia at all. So all that 20k, I'm just gonna like save it up for Executive. And yeah, and I like silver cars because the paint lasts longer than white, because the white color, you can see the dust if you don't, like a layer of dust, like a gray dust, if you don't wash your car frequently, if you don't do polishing. So I think silver is more long lasting when it comes to dust. What the fuck am I doing? Oh fuck, it's one way. Oh no! Oh god! Okay, I'm driving one way now. Cool. Okay, I think I need to reverse this one way. Girl, I don't know where I'm going. I was like, shit, this is so dangerous. So when you just push up, there's like a thing here that you can push up. Just press it here. Then you see that thing? And you gotta shift the gears to R. And this is how you do reversing. Ta-da! That's the back camera that I have. It's pretty cool. So if you want to put on N, right, you just switch to N. When? Okay, switch to N. And then press P. Ta-da! We're going over the bump. Alright? Let's see how. See, I don't feel anything. I don't know how to say this, but it just feels so nice. Like, Proton, if you're watching this, please sponsor me. If you don't want to sponsor me the whole car, please sponsor my service, because apparently Proton don't offer free servicing. Because unlike Toyota, if you bought a new car, you get like 2 years of free servicing. That is worth 500 per month. So we're going over a bump. I'll just show you how stable this whole car is. It's just, you don't feel like you're going over a bump like that. See? My camera is so still. I'm not even using a tripod. I'm just using like the, what is that called? The front thing, like in front of my car wheel. Anyways, yeah, so another bump. See? I mean, it's a bit like the bump was a bit high, so I gotta be like this. Oh, one bonus point is the door handle can act as a hanger for your drinks. Like, look how convenient it is to hang my kopi o ikat here. In my old car, they usually have a door handle that's sticking out, so it's easier to just hang over it like that. But just be careful when you open the door. So that's all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions about car, don't ask me because I don't know anything. I just know how to do the loan stuff, and I don't know how much it costs and all the general stuff. Because I don't really see girls doing cars review on YouTube. Whenever I want to buy a car, I was like, okay, what does a girl think about it? You know what I mean? So thank you guys so much, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to share one of my milestones in my life to you guys. Love you. Take care.